bunch of Disney stuff in here. Oh, you like that, huh? Look. Well, there we go. Alright, thank you guys for tuning into another episode of Trippin' with the Turners. Today we're back at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Gonna check out a few things, maybe get a few rides done today. So let's go tripping with the Turners. Let's go. Disney's Hollywood Studios. Just checking out prices there. Inside of Hollywood Studios here. Looks a little busy today. Alright, so just walking in here and got a little cavalcade going on here. The Incredibles. And I never remember her name. Kelly. And here comes the little soldier guy. There's Shirley and Jesse. Say hello. And here comes old Buzz. Hollywood Boulevard. Alright, we're going to turn here and go down Sunset Boulevard. And London pointed out the billboard there advertising for Paradise Pier. Interesting. Tower of Terror. The kids want to ride that again, of course. 70-minute wait for standby. It would be a nice hotel if it wasn't for all the cobwebs. Not sure we want to check into this hotel. Spooky. Walking through the library. Hello. Heading into, looks like the old boiler room. Well, most hotels don't make you go through the boiler room. More views of the boiler room here in the Tower of Terror. First glimpse of the service elevator there. Still inside the boiler room. Looks like they might have 4 of the elevators total. There's one over there in the corner. There's 2. There's number 3. There's number 4 over there, the other thing there. And there was a 5th elevator. I think that one's just like the employee elevator though. It didn't have seats in it, so good luck to them if it drops like the other ones. Alright, getting closer. Here it comes, it looks like. Alright, getting ready to get started here. Everybody step off it in.
You were the first from an elevator about to ascend into your very own atmosphere, the Twilight Zone.
I ain't gonna lie.
One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you. You are about to discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest darkest imagination.
No, please.
Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel in the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident.
I saw somebody's bag that's
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit through the elevator doors. We trust your stay at the Hollywood Tower Hotel has been a pleasant one. And please, do come back and see us again. Thank you.
No, you good. Whew. You got all your stuff?
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
This elevator.
You just fixed it. There's our picture from inside the ride. The kids had a death grip on us for sure. All right, y'all, so how was the ride this time?
That was awesome. I love the part where it opens up and you can see the park. It's cool.
My ears got plugged.
Your ears were plugged?
Yeah, it is a really, really fun ride.
Yeah, it is fun.
I got cramps.
I just laughed the whole time.
Yeah. All right, leaving Tower of Terror, gonna exit through the gift shop. All right, the kids sporting off some of their Christmas gear there. London's got on a little reindeer dress, and Luke has on a T-Rex Santa outfit. Look at there. All right, here we go with another little cavalcade. Got Chippendale here. Woohoo! Hello. And there's Goofy. And of course, there's Miss Minnie. Oh. London loves Minnie. Pluto and Donald. Say hello, hello. And of course, there's Mickey. Look at there. All right. Kids, what y'all think about that? That was cool, wasn't it? So heading into the Toy Story Land. A lot more crowded over this way, a lot more people.
At least according to Jesse.
There's Sheriff Woody. There's Slinky Dog. Wait time 60 minutes. Alright, you never noticed the giant cootie up there. We've been here a few times and it looks like a giant ant, but it's actually the game of cooties. Interesting. Alright, alien swirling saucers, 25-minute wait. We're going to go ahead and get in line for that. Alright, there's Mama in London waiting for alien swirling saucers. And there's me and Luke. Wait and ride. Alien swirling saucers. Alright, here we go. You jamming, won't you, boy? Alright, kids, how was the alien swirling saucers? You like that, don't you? Alright. Slinky Dog Dash. Got a 50-minute wait time there. Not too bad. Alright, y'all ready to go? Slinky Dog? Here we go, Slinky Dog! Here we go, Slinky Dog! Alright, y'all, how was that?
Awesome.
That was pretty cool.
Hanging on.
You weren't hanging on, alright.
That was fun.
Let's go. So we want to check out this little thing here, Walt Disney's, just kind of like a little museum for Disney stuff. Alright. So they got a bunch of Disney stuff in here. Oh, you like that, huh? Look. Well, there we go. All right, let's walk around and see what else we see here.
Mickey looks a bit creepy.
A bit creepy, huh? Yeah, that's an old Mickey there. That might even be Steamboat Willie, I'm not sure. Street to USA. Look what's that? There you go. An early animation table. Steamboat Willie, when Mickey made his debut.
Different elements in the scene were stuck camera. And here now is our same moonlight scene, away along the same camera scene.
There's the Sleeping Beauty Castle that's in Disneyland. Maybe one day we'll get to make it out there and see that. There's Adventureland, that's from Disneyland also. There's this Paradise Pier concept model. Wow.
There's our reflection.
Yeah, my reflections. And here's a Cinderella Castle model for Magic Kingdom here at Walt Disney World.
That's so cool.
That is cool, isn't it? There's the famous looking big globe there for Spaceship Earth over at Epcot. Yep, there is your Tower of Terror.
Oh, and there's the tree of life.
Ooh, the Millennium Falcon, look at that. Yep, Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. And there's the Resistance transport ship. Look at that, it's so cool.
Use that one.
Alright, yep, there's the AT-AT. First Order AT-AT Walker. Pirates of the Caribbean costumes and figures and stuff there. Oh, there's from Mulan. Wow. And some costumes from the Descendants too. I don't know that we've watched those yet, but maybe we will. I guess that there's some of the artwork and drawings and stuff that went into making the Runaway Railway over there. Abraham Lincoln audio animatronic figure. That is pretty scary looking there.
Cool, though.
And I think this here talks about the different Disney worlds they have around the world. Wow. Alright, getting one last look there at the Christmas tree. Alright guys, we've had another really great day here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. We got to ride a couple of rides and had a really good time. We'd like to thank you guys for tripping with the turners.
Don't forget to subscribe and give a like. And don't forget to hit that bell to turn on notifications.
Alrighty, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.